Hi, I'm Carol McClintock with Team McClintock. Everyone is so tired of being stuck inside because of all the ice and snow and cold weather. But there are some things that you could be doing today if you're home with your kiddos that could help you get off to a new year, new home. So whether you're selling your house or not, it's always good to be organized and have all of our things in a proper place. So we're talking about decluttering our house. So how do we do that? Clutter just gathers. We just let it build. So first thing we need to do is get it out of sight. So whether it's a bunch of bottles of pills on your vanity or spices you've left out in the kitchen or whatever it might be, everything needs to have a place. So everything, there's a place for everything. And if we don't have a place for everything, then we've got too much stuff. So then we need to start eliminating. Which leads us to, if we have too many things, then we have too many choices. And it's hard to make choices. We just, human beings just really don't like to do that. So our biggest thing with learning how to declutter and have our belongings in the place where they need to be is to let go. So as you're going through your things, really let go. One of the things you might want to think is, would I want to move this to another home? Would I need this? And we often find most people, after they move, there's a lot of things that they didn't need. And so then the last thing is schedule a time to do your decluttering. So if you're home today and you don't have much to do, maybe your kids are home, have them get started on their room. There's probably a lot of things that they could help get rid of as well. And don't make it overwhelming. Just schedule, maybe it's only 15 minutes that you're going to do one drawer, but then that can build to the next drawer, to the closet, to the garage, and then you can really start to feel like that you're organized and you are ready for a new year in a new home. So for other information on how to buy a house, or to get a free market analysis, give us a call at Team McClintock at 812-426-9020.